Are you looking for the best air hose reel? In this video, we will break down the top 7 air hose reels on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Goodyear 815153G Retractable Air Hose Reel. This Goodyear hose reel is assembled in the USA. It provides you with a typical 50 feet of 3/8 hose, and is designed for light to medium duty operation. Unlike lower quality plastic reels, the 815153G will not deform, crack or crumble, even when used in areas with corrosive liquids or oils. Designed for use in temperatures ranging from 40 to 190 degrees, it uses 4 rollers and a patented collar to ensure smooth operation. The base is designed for mounting on a wide variety of surfaces, and includes an adjustable hose stop, so you only pull out the amount of hose you need. The guide arms can be adjusted up to 90 degrees, and the 12-position ratcheting reel means you can lock the hose where you need it. At number 2. Flexzilla Retractable Enclosed Plastic Air Hose Reel. This hose reel comes with a 3/8 50-foot hose that can work in temperatures as low as -40 and as high as +150 degrees Fahrenheit. That is as long as you do not exceed the maximum 150 psi capacity. Bend restrictors make sure the hose lasts a long time for you. This feature keeps the hose from bending too much as you reel it in or take it out of the reel. The bright green hose color makes sure you can spot it lying in the grass when it is not reeled in. A rubber stopper makes sure the hose doesn't fully retract and gives you a few inches to grab onto when you need to pull it out of its hiding place. At number 3. DeWalt Retractable Air Hose Reel. The DeWalt DXCM0240345 is another good choice for those looking for a high-quality retractable air hose reel. This model also comes with a hose, which results in great compatibility with the reel itself. It's also designed to minimize kinks, so you won't ever accidentally cut off your air supply with a misrolled hose. The mount is also well designed and allows for up to 4 inches of swiveling in either direction when mounted, which lowers pressure when unreeling the hose. It also comes with a stop anywhere function. It comes with an oversized case, which seems larger than necessary for a hose of this size. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, then this model is one you'll be very happy with. At number 4. Milton 276050D Retractable Air Hose Reel. The tube of this hose reel has a nylon braid and is rubber enforced to make it sturdy and robust, which means it will last you a long time. This hose is resistant to cracks, abrasions and the weather, which means that you can use it almost anywhere. The mounting plate features an easy-to-install design and can be mounted on the ceilings, walls as well as on benches, and even on trucks. The air inlet valve can rotate 360 degrees, which allows you to work with ease. The fittings, which are made from brass, means that they will last a long time as they are corrosion resistant. The automatic recoil allows the hose to pull back when you are not using it, thanks to the dual arm frame, which also prevents distortion and bending. At number 5. Klutch Auto Rewind Air Hose Reel. This product has a very durable design that will last for years of use. The bracket is made of steel, and it is coated so it will not rust or corrode because of weather damage. The hose is a durable rubber that is designed to withstand a wide range of temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no leader hose included with this unit that connects the air hose to the compressor. This hose reel has a 3/8-inch fitting, so you may need to purchase a 1/2-inch fitting for some home air compressors. The unit is designed with 4 directional rollers, so the hose does not snag during the rewind process, which creates less wear on the hose and increases its lifespan. At number 6. Air hose reel with retractable 50-foot hose. By its nature and design, this hose reel is well suited for all kinds of temperature ranges. It is hence able to withstand numerous working environments. Its most admirable features is the wider applicable temperature range. They can do just fine in the hot as well as the cold working environments. Another admirable feature of this is the reinforced and durable PVC material construction. It ejects air at a pretty fast and voluminous rate. This enables you to handle all your fastening, bolting, sanding, painting, and nailing activities with ease. At number 7. Goplus Heavy-Duty Auto Retractable Air Hose Reel. This hose reel is sturdy, heavy-duty, and supports a convenient locking system. It comes with 8 locking positions that allow users to stop the hose at their preferred length. And when it comes to retracting, its advanced recoiling enables quick and hassle-free rewinding within moments. The 25 feet and 3/8 diameter air hose is built to withstand years of wear and tear, with superior metal construction and powder-coated finish. Then again, its roller design facilitates guide hose adaptation for excellent flex at work. On top of it, the high-quality automatic retractable air hose reel comes with a rubberized hose that has the flexibility of rubber and the ruggedness of unique polyethylene. So, the tube is also well built.